Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. We are still in the guest toilet, and this is gonna be the last video before the reveal, you guys. So I just wanted to quickly show you the progress, but unfortunately also most of my footage got lost somehow, but I wanted to show you anyways how far it has gone before the reveal. Hi guys, so I am done with making the cabinet, so I just want to fit it now. But the first thing, if you can see here, this is how it looks at the back. I'm not going to be putting anything against the wall because it doesn't really matter. The one thing that I wanted was just to cover the pipe here, and also to just have storage for just as I said, for my toilet rolls, and maybe just also toilet sprays. So now I've got my daughter here. She's gonna be helping me with putting this up, because the first thing that I need to do is just oops guys, sorry about that. Okay, the first thing that I need to do, I need to mark, I've already pre-drilled holes here at the back for where I want to anchor this thing onto the wall. So I need to mark on the wall first, and then put my wall plugs that will assist in making sure that this thing stays up. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, not too much talking.
going anywhere. It's definitely not going anywhere. High five. Okay. I just need the magnet now.
Okay, I had to take this door down, you guys, because I mean the space is coming along just fine, and I used this heavy duty degreaser again by Depsil that I got from Macro to spray it down just to take out all the nastiness out of it and prepare it for painting. But first thing, I just used that degreaser and then I just scrubbed it down with soapy water, and that was it. Thank you so very much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you did like the video. Yes, and do follow me on Instagram as well, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to click the notification bell as well.